All right, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. All right, as you see, this is a container garden that I'm doing. I have many different set of container garden. This one is on a pallet. This one is 12 square feet, and I'm actually growing different type of herbs in this area. As you see, the weather was the weather giving them a hard time, but now the weather start changing, so we're seeing a lot of progress now. So don't forget, stay tuned to my container garden series, because we have a lot of videos coming up with that right now. So we have the mullein here, we have lavender. This is a lavender, this is the other lavender coming up here. This is Greek oregano, this is rosemary, this is mint, sage, chocolate mint, and this is a herb from, I can't remember the name. We also have thyme, we have mint down in there, we have a broccoli coming up here, and we have a cauliflower coming up here. So right in this area, I'm just giving you an idea of how you can grow food in small space and keep them healthy. Look at how these plants looking. They now coming. We in early April and they now coming, but look the beauty, look how healthy. And this is what's important, the healthiness of the plant. Keep them healthy, keep them looking beautiful, and they will give back a lot to you. As you see, I now add some fresh soil down around their root, which is really important. It make them feel good, it make them look beautiful, and this is how they give back so much to you. All right, so this is just an update on the 12 square feet container garden area. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, love, and blessing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.